Hi everybody, 2024 Young Birmingham Rollers. And it's a kit of 12 here, 12 birds in this kit. Just thought I'd show you. It's up for grabs if anybody's interested. These are all Turner bloodlines, James Turner birds. The only one that's not banded is this guy, this bearded red white flight. But the rest of them are all banded 2024. And these are young birds and ready to be trained. So I thought I'd put this on here. I ain't had a video on in a while. A lot of obligations came up. I just thought I'd get this going. Try to get rid of some birds here, young birds. Okay. Yeah, thanks for looking.